Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, in this video, you are going to get creative, amazing, and beautiful ideas of neckline embroidery patterns that could be made onto your dresses, onto your shirt, onto your kurti, kameez, or any type of blouse that could be absolutely paired up along with your bottoms, trousers, plazos, churidars, or any type of sari players as well. So before going into the further details, I have some simple few requests to you. That is, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from number of other devices because subscribers are very important. And with your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Guys, we try our best to share amazing, trending, and beautiful ideas of embroidery with you on daily basis. And in return, we want from you is to support us endlessly. Endless support means that keep watching us, keep commenting below my videos, keep liking my videos, keep subscribing us, and keep sharing my videos across different social media platforms with the lovers of hand embroidery. So guys, let's move back towards the content. If you want to give the embroidery pattern a more thick and a 3D type of look, then I would recommend you to use wool for making these embroidery patterns. And if you want to give a very sleek, simple look to the whole pattern, then I would recommend you to use Anchor or DMC. So all of these beautiful patterns of embroidery would look absolutely gorgeous, stunning and beautiful onto your winter fabrics, onto your intermix fabrics, and even they are absolutely favorable for summer dresses because all of these embroidery patterns are light, easy, and highly breathable. So stay tuned and keep watching my content and keep liking us. Thank you so much for watching.